Wait for this Black Widow. Wait, I got the symbiote. Wait, this is sick.
Yeah, it's because I'm on your team.
Oh, that's sick actually. What the fuck?
Hello? Nice, nice kill.
Spider-Man is sick.
Widow's on point. Our game's a little choppy.
Double kill.
Dude, I'm just uppercutting people. Wait, Spider-Man's kind of sick.
Yeah, if you right click people, like they have like the little tracer on them, if you uppercut them you do more damage. Or if you hit them you do more damage.
Oh, with the right click?
Yeah, with a right click if they're tagged.
Ah, okay. That's
Kill that Iron Man bitch ass.
I tried to
Oh my God.
web sling his ass.
Oh. Oh my goodness.
Shit.
Wait, where is she?
I gotta get used to the wall running for this. This is kind of weird.
Yeah, you have to press like A, E, D. Big group bitch ass.
Plasma. You captured more than half of the mission area. Keep
I
going.
admit. Whoa, that did no damage to her. Oh, I'm fucking dead, brother. I'm on point. Oh, uh-oh. I'm chilling. Just wait for the next guy. I'm gonna jump on you.
I'm on it too.
I got her.
Good job.
Let's get one more shot. Warlock or Sharky? Uh-oh. We're gonna get sucked.
Oh, I'm leaving.
No, what? I'm in the air. I was in the air, bro.
You can jump out of it anyway. He can't kill us unless he kills himself.
I was in the air when he grabbed me.
Bitch ass motherfucker. Or bitch ass rat.
What the hell?
Thank you. Oh, I'm so laggy. I'm trying to get rocket. I have another dive up right now.
Your team's capture progress has passed the halfway point.
By the eye of Agamotto!
I got fucking Agamotto. Wait, does that one just fucking freeze everybody?
I'll patch you up.
Yeah.
Hey, sniper!
I'm gonna have to start fucking reading comments.
Ooh, go. Oh, he's gonna get everyone. Please. Get the point, get the point. Wait, he's gonna kill himself. Please, 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 please. Yes! Yes! Let's go! Let's go!
Oh, he got crazy play though.
Yes, sir!
But he died for that though. He died
Hell
for that.
yeah, he died for it. Yeah, bars.
I mean, I'd take that play of the game over winning, to be honest.
Yeah. Like one,
Oh, damn.
like one death for what? Is it 5? I think it was 5. Goated
Venom
back.
shares a part of his symbiote with Spider-Man, Penny Parker
30
activating their
seconds before you
symbiote
attack.
abilities. What is
Get
that?
ready.
Oh,
It's just like a AOE around you
shit.
that pushes people
So
back.
you gave your squirrels little shields
Spider-Man
and
gives
sticks?
Squirrel a
They're
web
so
bomb.
cute,
Oh
aren't they?
shit, this is sick.
But they're
Okay,
still tough.
the symbiote
Right,
thing is
Tiffany?
sick. I had it on me the whole time. I didn't know I could do
Okay,
anything with it.
she says you
Dude, literally, I
should
forget.
learn
I get it too when I
and
play
go
Spider-Man.
knit them tiny socks. Sorry, she's going through something. The battle starts in 5.
I think that's cool. Like if like you don't know who to play, you can like at least like help your team out
All
Yeah.
you need to do is capture the mission
or pick something
area.
that synergizes
Got
it.
it? Hey, I bet I can help with the time.
I'm gonna break this wall.
Maybe
This one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
If you press B, it shows you what's breakable or not.
Oh, is that what it was? I thought it was like
Yeah,
a
the
fucking
chrono
colorblind
vision.
mode. I thought that was a colorblind mode.
Strange is low.
Looks like the mission area
Dead.
is yours to capture now.
I guess respawn beacon.
Hey, Dee, enjoy the fire. This is real firepower.
I'm a little too low. Oh, I spawned here. Let's go.
Oh.
They captured the mission area.
I have to dive someone you guys are on too.
Step lightly. Might be more onks.
Oh, I'm fucking stupid. I mean, trying to get rocket.
One.
Cap low.
Double kill.
What the hell?
The drop on you.
Nice. Nice.
Get slinged.
She's a little choppy.
It's ours.
Wait, Fabio, look up here, bro. I'm just Bing chilling right here. You can Bing chill with me.
Always.
I get like a dive knock up. I smell my ew. Wait, go my butt.
I don't know how to control this. Hold on. Wait, hold on.
Yeah,
hold
it's like
on. Okay.
ew.
Oh, hold on. I'm trying to. I can't control this.
Like when you turn, you have to like do like a weird like turn. You can't just go straight in that direction. Ew, ew.
What? My
I'm diving on it,
turn?
Revelos.
I'm on rocket.
Got mine.
Dead.